Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to know if someone blocked you on Viber. Without any further ado, let's get started. The first sign that someone might have blocked you on Viber is a change in how their contact appears in your chat list. If you notice that their name has been removed and replaced by just their phone number, this could be an indication that you've been blocked. When someone blocks you, Viber removes their profile information from your view, so instead of seeing their display name, you'll only see the raw number associated with their account. Now, the next thing you can do to confirm your suspicion is to open the conversation with that person and try sending them a message. Pay close attention to the delivery status of your message after you send it. If the message shows only a single check mark, this is a strong indicator that the person has blocked you. Normally, when a message is successfully delivered to someone on Viber, you would see 2 check marks. However, if you've been blocked, your message won't reach their device, so it will remain stuck at just 1 check mark indefinitely. To further verify whether you've been blocked, try making a voice or video call to that person. If you're unable to reach them and the call doesn't go through at all, this adds more evidence to the possibility that they've blocked you. When someone blocks you on Viber, all forms of communication, including calls, are restricted, so you won't be able to connect with them through the app. And that's it. You've now checked all the key indicators to determine if someone has blocked you on Viber. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.